Hi there! A few of you guys have asked what my exhaust sounds like, so I decided to go ahead and make a little clip for you. We're going to take a little tour of my truck. Okay, here she is in all her glory, and a stupid ass cat. That's right, look at that. What I did was cut off the stock exhaust. I put the 2-chamber Flomaster muffler on and turned out the exhaust in front of the rear tire. And went ahead and put a 5-inch temp with 4-inch piping. So, I'm going to go ahead and use my nifty little remote start her up, see what she sounds like. You may not be able to hear the bass that this thing puts out with this camera, but what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and set you down for a minute, and we're going to rev her up and tell me what you think. Sorry, AC was on, throwing out a little bit of condensation there. But I like the sound. Don't know if you can tell over a camera phone or not, but there she is, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do.